Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up smart TV tracking settings for Samsung Privacy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Samsung Smart TV. Navigate to the main menu using your remote control. Select the settings option. Scroll down to General and select it. Look for smart features within the general settings. Choose smart tracking to access tracking settings. Toggle the smart tracking option to disable it if it's currently enabled. Return to the general settings menu. Select privacy to review privacy settings. Browse through the list of options available under privacy. Disable any additional options like voice search if you prefer more privacy. Scroll to terms and policies to review data usage guidelines. Read through the terms to understand what personal data may be collected. If you agree, select to accept the terms, otherwise, decline. Look for the Reset option in the General menu. Select Reset to revert settings to default if needed. Restart your TV to apply any changes made. Conduct a final check of the tracking settings. Confirm that privacy features are adjusted to your comfort level. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.